Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we'll unbox this headlight, but this is not a normal headlight. This is an RGB headlight. So one of my friend wanted this, so I just got it. So this is actually the old model Polo, so it has a H4 thing. So it is completely app based, so you can just change your everything, lights, Bluetooth control. This is completely Bluetooth control. So we'll see in the back what all we have. So if you see in the back, we have how should we like connect it on Bluetooth, and how can we like, this is an example of the application. And here is the QR codes for all like China mobile, a normal Android and the iOS thing here. So yeah, let's go in. We'll unbox it. Yeah, once we open, we see this thing. See, yes, it is like so nicely kept here in the box. So do not touch the LED chip to avoid damage. So be careful with this, and we'll keep this aside. And we have another box here, so we'll see what's there in this. So we'll open this. Yes, so this is the main controller which will help you to change the colors. Like this is mainly RGB, so this will help you to change the colors. So this, you need to connect to the positive and the negative of the battery. Okay, so see, it's like ACC 13 something, and this here also you have the QR code, as I said. So this is the main module which will make you to change the colors. So this here, you have these two things like similar to HID kit. So this, what will happen in the LED lights, I'll show you. See, if you just take this LED lights in hand, so you can see the finish of the LED lights. It's completely it's metal, completely metal. And you have a canvas as well here, which is very heavy. This one, and this is the H4 connector, which we will connect to the casting. And this, what I said, will be connecting to this thing here of this. So this will control the colors, change of colors. So in white, you will be having around 6000 Kelvin thing. Yeah, so we'll get all this inside the box. So I'll install it in the next coming video. So let's see how it is the output, and is the performance and all. And thank you so much for the more and more updates. Please subscribe, like and share my channel, Vag Guru. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and